Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Oh! And with this 85km/h speed, and that's what you actually need. That's what us parents need. Wow! Yeah, that was a bad cartwheel. These little ones are screamers, eh? Bash it the same way all the time. It's time. And of course they... Now that was a nice drift right there. Previously when I gave them RC cars, I was always screaming at them, hey, don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. But this one, I'll actually tell them, hey, go ahead, hit the wall. Just like that. Just like that. I am hitting it on purpose. Sweet. See? At the moment, I see no damage. Everything is actually nice and intact. Sweet. Good for kids. So, what else do you want? This is durable as well. Let's just see how long these two are gonna hold in the hands of kids.